What's up, meatheads? Coach MANdler here, Team Swole Patrol. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a next level reactive neuromuscular training tactic that will help instantly autocorrect or basically fix one of the main reasons you're experiencing some thoracic flexion or rounding of your back whenever you're deadlifting. It's not just because you're weak. A lot of the times it's just because you're not adequately activating the area surrounding your spine, also known as your core, that helps to insulate it and keep your upper body and your lower body on the same page so that you're not experiencing that rounding that makes you look like a stripper whenever you're deadlifting. You need to acknowledge the fact that the deadlift isn't a lower body or an upper body movement. It is a total body movement that requires your body to move synergistically. With that being said, if you don't know how to adequately and properly activate your core, I'm talking everything surrounding your spine, then you're going to have that hunchback stripper deadlift occur anytime you meet any substantial amount of weight on the deadlift. When you learn how to do that, you're going to be amazed at how quickly you see your strength and even your size gains increase whenever you're doing any substantial weight with the deadlift. Hey dude, thanks for checking out today's video. One last thing I want to talk about in regards to thoracic flexion during the deadlift. It's one thing if you don't know how to adequately engage your lats and your core during this lift. But if you do, eventually you're going to run into the problem that everyone faces in regards to heavy lifting, and that is that form will eventually break because of the weakness of the muscles that are responsible for lifting that weight. And if thoracic flexion is continuing to occur, it's likely because not necessarily you're not properly engaging the proper muscles, all right, in this case your core and your lats, but because they're too weak to handle the load that you're lifting. And if that's the case, you need to strengthen those muscles on top of discovering how to properly prime and engage them in the first place. And when it comes to strengthening those weak points that are acting as the limiting factor, especially when it comes to thoracic flexion during heavy deadlifts, some of my favorites for the core are going to be ab wheel rollouts, TRX fallouts, planks, suitcase deadlifts, suitcase carries, and then on the back side of things, your lats, obviously it's just how many different row variations and pull-up variations you can add in. Not just that, but another just fantastic exercise that I can't speak highly enough about is just a good old-fashioned farmer's walk. Nothing will improve everything from top to bottom, head to toe, for aesthetics and performance better than the good old-fashioned farmer's walks. So add this drill in at the very beginning of your deadlift session. Afterwards, add in those weak point strengthening exercises, and I can promise you the trajectory and the rate at which your gains improve with your deadlift in regards to size, strength, and explosiveness are going to be through the roof. They're going to be a game changer. So hopefully that helps out. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any of the kick-ass videos and tips that I'm gonna be hooking you up with here. And don't forget to grab your free gift by clicking on that button right over there. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a good one. MANdler out.